we got injured ape. He has a mosasaurus stuck inside him. He also got stabbed. And
Sir.
what is
Dr.
it?
SpongeBob, he's coming in to give the monkey plastic surgery.
Okay.
Could you step out of the way, please?
Okay.
Pretty please. We got to do the plastic surgery on the monkey. Oh yes. Okay. Yeah, we're cutting off his skin. Okay, I think we shaved off his hair. Okay, now we got all the bullets in there. Okay. Oh, someone shot me in the knee. It's that guy. Oh, SpongeBob in pain. That's the only thing I have. I forgot my chainsaw. Oh, okay. All right, now we got to. Okay, sir, I'm gonna cut off your booty tube so if you don't stop. Okay, now we got to get that bullet out of his stomach. Okay.
We got it. We got the mosasaurus.
Okay, we're going to eat that bullet. We're going to eat
Oh,
that
let me
bullet.
see that thing. Let me see that thing. Oh, what is this reptile?
Surgery. We just finished the first one, but we still got to do the plastic surgery.
My hair off. It's in my head.
The monkey's starting to speak. Okay.
Yeah, put me on.
Okay. Oh my gosh. He's already. Oh my gosh. Oh, look what we did to him. Look what we did to him. Look.